Paleo Nick here. I'm pretty pumped up about this meal that we're about to make. We're gonna highlight Paleo Chef's lemon herb tomato sauce by making some crab pancakes. So we're about to get crabby. Stick around, you don't wanna miss this one. All right guys, here we go. I've got 1 egg I'm gonna crack into this mini mixing bowl. I'll beat that up quickly. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of crab meat. Right here, 1 cup. See this cool little, this is an owl measuring cup. All right, hook up with some of these, they're pretty sweet. 1 cup crab meat going in. Boom, just gonna fold that in. Mix it, a little bit of salt, some pepper. There we go. So just enough egg to kind of coat all that crab. Over here we've got our hot pan. I'm going in with some olive oil. Good amount of olive oil. Crab right on top. Nice sizzle. Turn that down a little bit, and then I'm just gonna spread this out to cover the whole base of the pan. While that's cooking, let's take a look here. We're gonna mix up some lemon. Stick with the lemon herb tomato sauce theme, right? A little bit of lemon on some mixed greens. About that much. Pinch of salt. Pinch of fresh pepper. And then you can just kind of toss that with your hands. A little olive oil in there. And that's good. That'll be our bed when we go to plate. But tasty, huh? So this pancake doesn't take long. As you can see, our goal is just to get the whole bottom surface set or cooked so that we can flip it. Now, if you need to use a rubber spatula to kind of help yourself flip it, do that. But I'm gonna go for it here without any help. Boom, just like that, okay? You can see the whole bottom side looks really nice. At that point, I'm just gonna cut the heat. The residual heat from the pan will finish cooking that. And we're gonna come over here and pull, looks like that's about 5 little sprigs of cilantro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, got that set aside. Boom, knife we're done with. Spoon we'll use here. And then this is just Masago, little mini caviar. You can get this at the Asian market. They do carry it in a lot of grocery stores now. You don't have to use this. It'll just kind of give a little bit more flair at the end, a little pop and some color for to make a nice picture, right? You got to keep the pictures pretty. So now I'm gonna take my greens and I'll make a little bed right here. Do one more right there. This is kind of your platform. Eat a couple more. That'll be our garnish. Lemon we're done with. Shake this up. Let's check our, so there you can see I can get it to shake again. That means it's set all the way through. I'll bring my pancake over here. I'm gonna cut it into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna pile it on top here. Just stack them all uniformly. Little lemon herb tomato sauce. Pretty simple, right? So there we have it, the Crabby Pancake featuring Paleo Chef's lemon herb tomato sauce. I'm Paleo Nick. Thanks for getting crabby with me. And don't forget to keep it paleo.